Hi, this is Johanna Ocampo talking to you from ISE 2026. Today we want to show you an integrated system with our COB line called Enlighten. On the right hand side you'll see a 0.9 1080p, and on the right hand side you'll see a 1.2 high brightness display. So you can notice that we have it here up on a TRAK-KIT system. We're partnering with TRAK-KIT to show the versatility of our modular displays. The one thing about our product to be aware of is just our low brightness. We're ultra low brightness, low power, and that's what makes it great for in the built type of environments. So to give you more information, I'm going to have Shadi talk about the TRAK-KIT system.
Hello, this is Shadi from TRAK-KIT. We're based out of New York, and we are the inventors of the TRAK-KIT system, which you might have seen over the years on various rave videos. What we've done here is we have now modified our TRAK-KIT system for LED, DV LED tiles, and in this case, we have linear motor, rotation, and portrait to landscape. And what's very interesting here is that we have a latch system, so you can break a room or a space into multiple panels. The panels can stack, but when they come, they can latch together for a very large presentation, or they can rotate and split up for different kinds of presentations. So they allow a whole, architecture, they allow dynamic motion and flexible space, but on the presentation side, they allow you to do different kinds of presentation, full screen, but 3 tiles are together on a portrait, they create a 16:9, or landscape, portrait, or any combination. For more information on this, you can go to www.silicon-core.com or www.trak-kit.com. Thank you.